Blue's Windy Day, Book 9. Book 8 had lots of wind, but right now I don't have a lot of wind. I'm still in Montana, and this is my beautiful view. Nice place to sit. Nice and quiet, it's not windy. It shouldn't turn my pages for me, and I don't have to raise my voice to compete with it. Blue's Windy Day. Wow, it sure is windy. Blue and I are excited because we've been waiting for a day like this to try out our new sailboat. Hey, would you like to sail our boat with us? You would? Great! He's so nice. It's sailing! Cool! Now it's sailing even faster. Oh, I get it. The harder the wind blows, the faster our boat goes. Cool! Well, they've got the boat in like a bathtub or a swimming pool. Or there's bricks, so they're outside. This is a pool. Let's see, what else can we do on a windy day? Yeah, we can watch the wind push the clouds across the sky. I love doing that. What about you, Blue? What do you want to do? Oh, great! We'll play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Some pretty flowers. Uh-oh. It looks like Shovel is having a little trouble building his sandcastle with all this wind. The wind keeps blowing the sand away. I hate it when that happens. Hey, Shovel, if I put some water on the sand, maybe it won't blow away. Good thinking, Pail. So by him adding water to the sand, it makes it thicker and it makes it heavier and makes it harder for the wind to blow it away like it is. Some flowers, some more flowers, and they're going to have a nice little sandcastle that won't blow away. The wind is blowing really strongly now. Look at my flag waving in the wind. Like this. It's going woo, woo. Back and forth and back and forth. But the sandcastle is staying. Look at the wind blowing the dandelion seeds around. I thought that's what those were. Puffballs. How many of you have ever picked a puffball and then blew on it just so you could watch all the seeds scatter? And one little tiny seed will make a whole plant. Now that's cool. I thought I saw Blue come in here. What? You see a clue? Where? String is our first clue. What do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with string? We'd better find the other two clues to help us out. There's his paw print, his clue on the thing of string. And there's tape. There's tape. And there's scissors. And there's a yellow crown. There's a paintbrush. And blue and red crowns, and glue. But his Blue's Clue's paw's only on the string. Hey, someone's knocking at the door. Well, let's go see who it is. Look, it's Magenta. Magenta is here for her play date. Come on in. Hurry, Magenta, the wind is blowing everything around. The telephone is blowing around, the lamp is knocking around, it's bringing leaves in the house, it's knocking over the blocks. Whew, that wind is ferocious. Will you help us figure out what's not where it belongs? You will? Thanks. Okay, who's going to help me? Okay, the phone got put back to where it was, and the blocks got put back to where it was. We're missing something up here. Phew! Thanks for all your help. We fixed the phone and we put the blocks back together. Anything else? Oh, the lampshade. Which way did it go? Oh, toward the kitchen? Let's go. They gotta go find the lampshade. We found the lampshade. Good work. What's that? A clue? The spoons are a clue. Now what could Blue want to do on a windy day with string and spoons? I don't know about you, but I can't wait to find our last clue. So they found the lampshade, and there's some napkins and forks and knives and spoons. This is where the clue is. And there's baby paprika and salt and pepper and plates, of course. Look, Blue and Magenta are coloring a picture together. Can you tell what it is? I can. Oh, there's another clue as to what he's going to do. You see another clue? It's the wind outside the window. See the wind blowing? The wind is our third and last clue. You know what that means? It's time to go to our thinking chair. Look at all that wind. So what do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with string, spoons, and the wind? Spoons blowing in the wind make noise, don't they? Do you want to make a wind chime, Blue? You do? Cool. We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. Oh, Steve has a stick, and he attached the spoons with a string. Our wind chime is done and ready to hang. Now we'll have music whenever the wind blows. Thanks so much for your help. And the wind is very much still blowing there. And here's how you can make your own Blue's whimsical wind chime with string and spoons, and you need a stick and a tree to hang it from. So ask a parent to look at this page and figure out what you need and help. I hope it's not very windy at your place.